Hey you guys, I'm back with another tutorial. This is a look that I did yesterday. I'm just going to put oil on my face just to get it moisturized before I start. Up next is the brows. I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color chocolate. Next is the concealer. I'm going to be using medium beige in LA colors. Take that and put it in my highlighted areas. I put it underneath my foundation because it's a little too light for me. Now I'm going in with this hunter green color from the Color Me Beautiful palette. It's very shimmery. Next I'm going in with the blue shade and I'm just going to apply that right on top of the green, but I'm going to stretch it all the way across my crease. Here I'm going back over the blue with the same green color just to blend it out. In the crease I'm going to add the bright yellow color and blend it out. And I'm just going to take my smudge brush and keep blending it out. So I'm going to take this dark blue color and put it on the edge of my crease just to add a little bit more drama. I use this brush to put on my foundation sometimes, but I'm just going to use that to brush away all the excess color. I'm going back over this with the yellow underneath my eye, and then I'm going to add my winged liner. using burlesque as a base before I go in with the eyeshadow shades. I'm just going to use the same shades that I use on my eyes for my lips. And that is the complete look for this Alien Bay makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you for watching.